In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails before after certain date in Outlook. We'll do this using Outlook on the web, and I'll walk you through a safe, clear process so you can quickly clean up older messages. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook, then open the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into the account you want to clean up. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, select Account to access your account options. Next, choose Storage. This is where Outlook groups tools that help you manage mailbox size. From there, click Email Storage. You'll see a list of folders from your mailbox, such as Inbox, Sent Items, and others. Select the specific folder you want to clean. Be intentional here. This process applies only to the folder you choose, which is helpful if you want to target, say, Sent Items or a promotional folder before touching your main inbox. After selecting a folder, find the Manage section and click the drop-down icon to reveal your cleanup choices. Here, Outlook provides preset time ranges so you can remove older mail in bulk. You can choose 3 months and older, 6 months and older, or 12 months and older. Think of these as cutoffs. Choosing 3 months and older will delete everything in that folder that's older than roughly 3 months from today, which effectively captures emails before that date. Take a moment to consider the impact. If you're unsure, start with a longer time frame like 12 months to be conservative, or apply the change first to a less critical folder. When you've selected the time frame that fits your needs, click OK to confirm. Outlook will begin processing the cleanup. Depending on how many messages you have, this may take a little time, so it's best to keep the tab open and let it finish. Deletions typically move messages to deleted items, where you can review them if needed, but remember that emptying deleted items permanently removes them. That's all there is to it. You opened Outlook, went into Settings, navigated to Account, then Storage, chose Email Storage, picked a folder, selected a cutoff period, and confirmed with OK. Using this method regularly helps you stay under storage limits and keeps your mailbox fast and organized. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, consider applying the same steps to other folders to keep everything tidy.